Mr. Christian Bautista in the house.
Walang tuligaan, Christian.
Thank you so much, Mr. Christian. We're lucky to have you here.
Thank you for modeling for me.
Grabe, kinikilig yung mga audience natin.
Anytime.
Thank you.
That was a very nice song.
Thank you very much.
Pati yata kami ni Jack, kinilig din.
Okay! Different show. Different show. Thank you so much. That song is part of the album, Soundtrack.
Yes, tell us something about that album.
Soundtrack is available now. It's repackaged. It has the new single, Two Forevers, with Jessica Sanchez.
Wow.
And the last single was Ano Naman, Cruisin' with Julian San Jose.
Which is doing really good right now.
Thank you very much. And yes, I'm promoting that as well. I hope you can support that on Mix. Cruisin', Christian Bautista with Julian San Jose.
So, yung mga My Japs fans dyan, alam niyo na.
Are you a My Japs fan?
Oh, of course. Ako yun.
Pero
At ito,
Christian,
syempre.
how does it feel na makaduet ang isang Jessica Sanchez?
Yun.
It's fantastic. International level. Ako pa yung kabado talaga.
Ikaw din naman international level.
Hindi naman nagkakalayo.
Just romantic, diba?
Hindi, okay lang naman. Pero talagang, I'm really glad na she was able to do this duet with me. Fantastic duet.
Yun. Mr. Christian, may magandang balita ka daw sa mga kapuso natin abroad?
That's right. Sa ating mga kapuso sa New York, magkikita-kita tayo dyan sa Town Hall September 5 with Ding Dong Dantes, Ai de las Alas, Betong Sumaya, Julian San Jose, and this upcoming singer called Christian Bautista is gonna visit you for the 10th anniversary of GMA Pinoy TV. See you there.
Si Kuya Germs ang nag-umpisa niyan. Yung very
yes.
first na inopen niyan sa mga kapuso natin. Sila inupunta dyan.
Thank you to Kuya Germs na you paved the way for GMA Pinoy TV for all of the Filipinos around the world. Palakpakan!
And thank you for watching our show ng 2 beses sa isang araw.
Oo, di ba? Ang sarap nun.
Full support pa rin until now. And sa tickets, may mga tickets ba sila na kailangan i-avail? Saan nila malalaman? Or may kailangan ba silang kontakin about sa tickets?
Yes, just log in to the Twitter and Facebook page of GMA Kapuso Pinoy TV.
Well, Christian, have a safe flight at mga kapuso September 5 dyan sa New York. Abangan nyo sila dyan.
All right. See you there, guys, and enjoy the music video, Cruising.